Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today was Fed Day. We had the big announcement, and it was a little bit of a surprise in a lot of ways. Now, the fact that they did not change interest rates was not a surprise, but Powell and his friends kind of changed their tune just a little bit. So he said that, of course, they're still going to wait for data to come out that will guide future policy decisions. But he said a couple key things. One is that the interest rate hikes have not fully worked their way into the system, and so he's not likely to be raising interest rates anytime soon. Of course, new data can change that. But he also forecasted that there's a good chance of the Fed cutting interest rates by 75 basis points in 2024. Now, this right up until yesterday, from everything that I've been reading, and I read a lot, is some pretty new information, and I was pretty surprised at that pretty aggressive statement. So that sent the S&P 500 up 1.3% today, and a lot of other stocks too. The VIX is still down really low at 1223 or so around the close. And we are looking to have entered the next phase for the Fed. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.